Hello TecMarvels community. We're thrilled to have you back on TecMarvels. Today we are beyond excited to introduce you to a game changer, the ALLPOWERS R600 portable power bank with a built-in inverter. This isn't just any power bank, it's a game-changing, versatile energy solution that will revolutionize the way you approach your adventures, whether you're camping, boating, or on the road. Let's dive right in. As you can see, the ALLPOWERS R600 is designed for ultimate portability, weighing in at just about 16.113 pounds, 7.31 kilograms. It's the perfect companion for your boat trips, camping excursions, or wherever your adventures take you. But what really sets this power bank apart is its ability to harness the power of the sun. Yes, you heard that right. You can charge the R600 using solar cells, and we'll be sharing just how easy and efficient it is to power up this bad boy with the ALLPOWERS 100-watt solar panel. Charging from 0 to 100% is a breeze with the power cord, taking just over an hour for the entire power bank. That's lightning fast, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your adventures. Now, let's explore the incredible features this power bank offers. With USB-C and USB-A sockets, you can power up your devices on the go. The inverter provides 2 AC sockets, giving you the convenience of using home appliances wherever you are. Plus, there's a 12-volt socket for your gadgets, ensuring you stay connected even in the great outdoors. Check out this sleek display. It not only shows the power bank's status, but also calculates how long it can power your devices, giving you a clear understanding of your energy needs. And here's the kicker. You can connect it to your phone via Bluetooth using the ALLPOWERS 2 app. Monitor the power bank's performance, check capacity, and more, all at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. The R600 isn't just about powering devices. It's a versatile energy solution with a wireless output of 15 watts, perfect for charging your phone with ease. Need light in the dark? No problem. Activate the built-in light feature for added convenience. In conclusion, the ALLPOWERS R600 is a game changer, offering unparalleled portability, solar charging capabilities, and a range of features that make it a must-have for any adventurer. Interested? We've left a link in the video description where you can find more information and get your hands on the R600 or the complete package with the ALLPOWERS 100-watt solar panel. Don't miss out on the future of portable power. Hit that link and let the ALLPOWERS R600 elevate your adventures. Until next time, stay powered up and take care of each other. Cheers.